Hi, Dr. Saxena here, and I've been talking on something always trying to what is this thing called nutrition medicine and how these are the things, immune system, how that gets optimized by having a good food, good fruits, and all that. So I just want to concentrate here on what are the best fruits which I would like to pick up when I'm looking at basically the general health. It's not this is one thing which is purely for prevention thing and not for any kind of this particular stuff. I would like first thing which I would like to look is which are the fruits which are help more in immunity, immune system, and we need to work in a proper way. There is a kind of I have always been talking about. There are some things like you get into food allergies and all that. A lot people get into food allergies, but we are trying to work our with this particular process, where if you can pick up what are the food allergies you had and try to give you a proper solution. So this one thing which always comes to my mind when I talk about fruits are usually citrus fruits. Citrus fruits, they have help in preventing some types of cancer. It can be something like breast cancer, prostatic cancer, esophageal cancer, cancer. You have got something like pancreatic cancer. All these things has got some or the other, and we had seen because of this nobiletin content of citrus fruits. It citrus fruits helps in preventing the inflammation. Inflammation is the major thing what we are talking about. Sugar is a very inflammatory thing. Sugar causes increased inflammation, whereas citrus fruits will decrease the inflammation. That's the kind of thing which I would like to. It prevents stomach cancer, it prevents pharyngeal cancer, it prevents pancreatic cancer. This is one thing which there is a lot of papers which have been presented. You have got some research on that, peer-reviewed studies showing that this breast cancer among the people who normally take this kind of fruits, and the people who they high consumption of citrus fruits is associated with reduced risk of cancer. So this is one of the papers which was in 1998, and some and lot of subsequent work on that. The main content of the citrus fruit is the potassium, and you have got something like citric acid. I have told you about polyphenols, which is Nobilton, which is a good polyphenol, and almost all polyphenols we talk about green tea. It has got something like polyphenol. Polyphenol is an anti-cancer, and you have got something like vitamin C, and which is something which always we at integrative medicine we have been always talking about. What is this particular vitamin C has to do with got extreme roles in most of the things, and what Linus Pauling and the others have done it. We are just trying to follow that legacy, and it works fabulously. It's a good stuff, and yes, we take care of what are the things which we try to work. The first thing I would like to talk is about the alkaline citrus fruit, lemon. Lemon is an alkaline citrus fruit. So we always keep in our tradition also, and we had scores of people or they used to have that lemon tea or lemon kind of water. This is how it's an alkaline food. It makes the water more alkaline, and the more you are alkaline, you are not going to get into any kind of problems. So this is the best alkaline citrus fruit. What I can always tell you is the citrus fruit is the lemon. Lemon alleviates constipation. Not just constipation. It can dissolve gallstones. There is a research because of the limonene content of the lemon. It has the ability to dissolve the gallstones. It can help eliminate the kidney stones as well, and elevates the pain of the kidney stones. also. That is also a big this one. And because of the limonene, we have told this is one of the best anti-cancer thing. And apart from that, the people who are usually take the lemon juice upon awakening in the morning, once they wake, they are one. They what we have seen was there is improvement in the liver function with this particular thing. So lemon for me, it's like a perfect kind of stuff. You have got lots and lots of things. It's not just vitamin C; it has got vitamin A also. You have got citronella, volatile oil in that. You have got polyphenol in this lemon fruit is diosmin, and you have got some terpenes. I told you about the limonene content of this particular thing. Not just calcium, it has got magnesium, and it has got citric acid is to the value of about 6,500 milligrams per this one. So a lot of stuff regarding this citrus fruits, and I can always I can always talk about this. And at the same breath, I just want to talk about something like the people who take lime juice, and the people who has got that toothache and pain and all that, it can also elevate that particular stuff. So the limes are usually has got good this one, and it can be used as a pain killer also. So you can use something like lime oil also for that same reason. And apart from that, I would like to talk about something on oranges. Oranges are one of the things which is sweet oranges you have got, and you have got something like bitter orange. And yes, we talk about sweet orange. This is widely available in our part of the country, this part of country, and we talk about it prevents a lot of cancers. You have got a peer reviewed. Even the peel of the orange peel, is having some good stuff, and it can help in preventing the metastasis. It helps in preventing cancer and the spread of the cancer. So for me, like good stuff, preventing this helps in immune system, and it metabolism also. It can lower the cholesterol. This is one thing I can always share with you, is that orange peel, it reduces the manufacture of endogenous cholesterol. And orange juices, if you have natural, if you have a thing, it reduces it increases the HDL cholesterol and reduces the LDL cholesterol, which is the desired thing what you need to look into that. So this particular thing has got a lot of alkaloids. It has got good amines here. Apart from that, you have got some fructose, which is a carbohydrate, but it is a fruit sugar. Along with that, you have got glucaric acid, and you have some things like carotenoids are there. You have got some lipads. You have some minerals like potassium is quite in good quantity here. And when it comes to polyphenols, you have got something like anthocyanidins and hesperidin, tangeritin. All these things we are always we used to use this particular polyphenols in a kind of aspirin and all that, working with a lot of varicose veins and all that. So this is the one thing which will always be a simple stuff. And I can always tell you this alkaloids, usually what alkaloids I'm talking about is that synephrine and hornidine. These two things are available in the peel of the orange, and it's important that the peel also is helping. At the outset I told you the peel of the orange is very helpful for cancer and preventing the metastasis of cancer. So these are a few of the things which I always try to tell my patients. Yes, we need to get into this particular stuff so that things will be much better. And yes, this is a small primer with the nutritional medicine, and I hope you like this segment. Thank you.